perfect 10.
Hi ladies! Okay, so this is the official video and I know I've made so many of these and I know it's so annoying, but we have made some pretty big life changes, I would say, in the past few weeks. Matt and I have been talking a lot and we have been talking about a third baby, and although I've been doing like my ovulation tests for you guys, we haven't been sort of TTCing. Actually, there was that one time when we accidentally TTC'd. But anyway, so this is the official video to say that we are officially TTCing our third baby. I have a box of ovulation tests here from Clear Blue, and you know what? These are really, really expensive, but I do like them because I do find them slightly more accurate. So I'm going to be purchasing another box. This is actually completely empty. But yeah, I will be using these and my cheapies as well. I took a couple of cheapies yesterday and today and they are completely negative, and I don't know, because I've never used this brand before, if it's just the brand, but yeah, they're literally completely, there's like barely a line there at all. And I know that I'm coming up to ovulation because I've got all the symptoms, so I'll just go through a few symptoms with you guys, and you can leave me down in the comments below what your guys' symptoms are as well. So my first symptom is egg white cervical mucus. My second symptom is cramps. So my third symptom is a change in sexual desire and wanting to have sex more. And my fourth symptom is kind of a bit of a weird one, but I feel like, how do I put this? Down there just smells different. I don't know if that's like really gross to say, but it just, I guess it's because of like all the hormones and stuff, and maybe it's like some sort of like natural animal instinct like years ago when they needed to like attract the male without having ovulation tests. I don't really know. Please let me know down in the comments though if you guys ever get that, because I don't know, I guess it's like a good symptom because you can kind of pick up on it and what have you. But anyway, so yeah, I will be TTCing from now on. We'll be doing TTCing videos, so look out for those. If you haven't already seen on my Insta, I've already put a post up making it official, but this is the video for you guys. I'll put my little Insta link right here. So give this video a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe to me for free to follow my journey on our third and final baby, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye ladies!
Honey, I'm a perfect 10.